How to download and set up Visual Boy Advanced. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Visual Boy Advanced and then simply click on the first link. From here, simply tap on download right over here. Then select your platform. Tap on download again. Scroll below and then select which you would like to download. In my case, I want 64-bit. Tap on download again, and just like so, the downloading will get started. Now once the downloading is completed, simply tap on this file icon. Now from here, right click on the blank space, tap on new, and then simply select folder. Once the folder has been added, go ahead and drag your Visual Boy Advanced and then move to the new folder. Once it is done, tap onto it. Now once it is open, go ahead and tap on files, and then if you like to open any game inside here, tap on open and select the game that you like to open from here. And just like so, if you found the file, go ahead and tap onto it and then tap open. And that is simply how you can download and set up Visual Boy Advanced in Windows 11. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.